Hi, hello, and welcome to the Geography 361 Lab 5. In this video, we will do the last part of this assignment, the question 2 of the second part for the question 4. In this question, we need to compare the average of ranking of these two groups. So first, we need to write our non-hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. I think now you are very clear what is the non-hypothesis and what is the alternative hypothesis we should write here. So I just directly write them down. So the non-hypothesis is no differences, as the alternative hypothesis is there is differences. Then we need to run the t-test in the SPSS. Before we run the t-test in the SPSS, we need to figure out which type of the t-test we should use. Do we need to use paired t-test or unpaired t-test? Remember, after observing the data, we find all of these data actually are from the same group. They are just the ranking change over time. So in this situation, we should use paired t-testing. Let's go back to our SPSS. First, we need to open this data. We click the File and Open. And click Data. Change the files of type to SPSS. Change the files of type to Excel. Then we need to select this one, the second part for the question 4. In the previous view, it looks good. Then we just hit OK. Okay, now we have the data. We can find the paired t-testing from the analyze here, then compare means, then paired samples t-test. Let's see here. After you click that function, you can see this table. In this table, they have the pair. You need to compare the two variables of a pair. So we put before in the variable 1 and the after in the variable 2. You can just drag and drop them to these two cells. Then we click OK. This table is what we need. We copy this table to our answer sheet. Then we take a look at this table. So in this table, we can find the t value actually is negative 1.922. And the significant value is 0.87. What does that mean? I have already showed the meaning of the significant value in the first part of the question 4. Here, I will demonstrate again. We have one t distribution here, right? if their value are close to middle part, then we accept the non-hypothesis. When we see the alpha value is 0.05, the meaning is the area of head, the area of tail, plus the area of tail is 0.05. Here, our t-score is negative 1.922, which means the value, which means the area from the negative infinity to the negative 1.922 as the area from the 1.922 to the positive infinity here. The area of these two parts is 0.84, which means our value is much closer to the y-axis than the critical value. It means we should accept our H0. So we can just write down our result, since significant value is 0.087, which is greater than 0.05, so we accept H0. We accept the non-hypothesis. So that is the answer we need for the second part of question 4. Okay, so now I have demonstrated all the questions. So if you still have some questions, you still have some not clear, you need more explanations, you can just send me one email and we can talk on the Blackboard or maybe Microsoft Teams or maybe Zoom. Okay, hope you have a great weekend.